Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see another coding platform called as a Leetcode.com. Okay, it's a web app, web portal, and this Leetcode platform is quite popular, and it is accepted by top companies like Google, Amazon, and whenever we go for such kind of high-paying companies interview, they will be asking to the student. Are you maintaining the Leetcode streaks? Are you practicing the Leetcode? And these kind of how many badges you have, and these kind of questions will be asked to the student. So this is a platform to practice your basic coding from the easy mode to hard mode. So there are n number of coding questions which we could select, and every day we shall practice and increase our coding practice. Okay, let me take you to the walkthrough of this portal. Okay, we have explore, product, developer, and sign in. So if you already have an account, you shall sign in. Otherwise, we have to create an account. Okay, so we have to just click create account. So this Leetcode.com portal could be directly by giving a URL, or otherwise we could go to Google and we can also search in terms of it. So since if we click create account, then it will take you to the page, and we have to give username, passwords, and everything we have to give it. Since I already have the login credential, I'm just going to sign in. Okay, so let it take my email IDs here and my password. Alright, yeah, it's logging in. Here I'll find something like this to read, and forums like a lot of members who dropped comments about the codes and everything. So we could directly go to the problems. So once I click a problem, then all the topics will be listed here. The codes, let's say it's based on the topic: array, string, hash table. The count here shows the number of coding exercises which is available: math, dynamic programming, sorting, DSA also there. So this platform also mentioned, like whenever we log in, we submit the code. So this platform will give showing the response of a user in the home page, and it also have the trending companies like Google, Uber, Amazon, and Meta, and these kind of things are there. When I want to go to Google, let me go and practice the Google questions. Let me click Google, and all the questions of Google practice which is updated here, we could click and do that. Something little bit, a lot of things are free, but few things are cost. So let me go to the problem, and let me take 2 sum as one of the question. It's from the basic thing, easy, and it's mentioned as 57.4% is an acceptance and easy mode. So I'm just clicking 2 sum. So it will take me to the compiler, okay, where the input, an example, and constraints are there. It's all about the test cases and constraints, and also a hint which is available. Okay, so in the right side we will find a coding platform. One beautiful thing here is, so the coding challenge could be solved in any language. We don't want to restrict to the specific of Python or specific of C or C++, Java. No, not such required. So there is an option here. I could do the compiler, run the code, type the code in different format which is mentioned here. Let's say if I'm good in Python, I could click a Python and solve this case. Otherwise, if I know Swift language, then I'll go with the Swift and solve it. Right now I'm just clicking Python. Then automatically the compiler inbuilt things are taking in terms of Python. So once we run the test case, and if we submit, automatically the test case will give an output, or in case of error, it will mention an error. So likewise, we could take anything, we could solve n number of programs which is here. For a simple array, we have 2145 questions, and also whenever I submit the solution, it will mark in the home page. So if I take a link, let's say if I take the Leetcode profile, let's say if I have a profile, I could take the profile link and I could give to the any users, or in my resume or in my LinkedIn, so that the profile things will be directly viewed by them, how many problems we have solved, how many things we have carried out, and everything will be listed over there. So as of now, like, this is not cost. For the premium packages like company specific practice, there is a premium which is available. For practicing the basic all kind of C and data structures or any kind of coding challenges based on the fundamentals like that and all easy. And also we have hard, easy, medium, these kind of problems are there. So we could log in and every day to maintain a consistency, and we could work with the Leetcode portal. Thank you.